Hi, today we are going to review App UI. Let's see how it works in Gemini. Can Gemini review my app design? I uploaded this UI and asked Gemini for feedback. It identified the strengths, found UX issues, suggested improvements, all in few seconds. Pretty useful for designers and developers. For UI review, I have used the prompt, review this mobile app UI, list strength, weakness, UX issues, design improvements. First, Gemini identified the strengths including clean layout, simple navigation, clear call to action buttons. Next, it pointed out few weaknesses. Some screens have too much empty space. The few elements could be more visually consistent. It also found UX issues such as improving screen hierarchy and making important actions easier to discover. Finally, Gemini suggested design improvements to enhance usability and create a better user experience.